All right, up next we have well, not a couple, three Kato E8/9 locomotives. Got a Pennsylvania one in my hand here that were converted to ESU Loksound. They have V5 micros installed in them. I'm going to pop this guy apart. I'm not going to do all three because it's pointless. Basically, what you have here is a frame that's been machined out, had the rear end cut out, so it'll take a sugar cube speaker. You have a V5 micro that has been installed here. The light board has been modified and tapped into. The LEDs have been changed, or the LED has been changed. And the sound file programmed into it was, well, it'd be Kato's 91816, but that is actually just ESU's SO761 V5 sound file. That is a dual 12567 BC recording. There's absolutely no difference between the two of them. It's just ESU assigned that as a OEM part number or OEM sound file number, but it's SO761. But on that note, I'm going to run just one of them because it's kind of pointless to run all three. That tested with my trusty Digitrack system. And didn't turn the headlight off before, but that's okay. But we're going to turn the sound on. This is a Kato E8 on there. And away we go. And there we go. Kato E8's with ESU Loksound installed. Have a fantastic day.